The project emerged as a result of an architectural contest organized by the Botanical Garden during 2005. The jury was conformed by architects Dicken Castro, Giancarlo Massanti, and Leonardo Alvarez, the secretary of the mayor's office, David Escobar Arango, and the director of the Botanical Garden, Pilar Velilla. The winners were architects Alejandro Bernal, Felipe Mesa, Paul Restrepo, and Camilo Restrepo. The jury was evaluating the development of a strong idea that at the same time could become a new symbol of the city, and was also able to incorporate the natural elements of the context and make the proposal aesthetic. It is located in Medellin, Colombia. The design of the structure is creating a bond between architecture and living organisms. The space is connecting the natural with the artificial. The form is based on the idea of a flower tree, a flower from figure with the size and properties of the tree that is responding to a geometrical but flexible organization of the space and the environment surrounding the structure. Architecture and organisms. The construction of the orquideorama came up at the relation between architecture and living organisms. It presents a unity among artificial and natural, allowing architecture to be conceived as a material, spatial, environment organization that is deeply related to the process of life. Organic. The organic is understood in two different scales, allowing the people to perceive the project more clearly. Microscale, a scale that holds the principle of material organization, define geometrical patterns, is a natural living structure configuration. It has the capacity to be organized in precise as a geometric pattern, allowing the architects to create a single model that would become systematical repeat. It allows us to define growing properties. Its evolution is adaptability and is a geometry. Macroscale is allow people to relate phenomenologically and environmentally to the world. It's the way the project perceives its surroundings and relates to them.
Environmental phenomena, the big scale of biomorphic structures, and in this case flowers and trees, allowed the architects to control the perception of the structure. When visitors enter the orquideorama, they feel it like an extension of a forest, a shadow garden. It also allows them to display a set of technical facilities such as collecting water and to structures the models as hollow trunks. 4. The orchideorama was designed to be built as a sowing flower. One flower tree grows and besides another appears until the complete systems of flower tree structures is defined. The systems can grow as much as the context allows it to move, which is a huge benefit. It can adapt the structure to the file where it is instead intended or needed. It is composed of 10 flower tree structures. They can all be built individually, allowing the system to respond to uncertainties. It can grow or be reduced depending on the needs of the project, respond to construction inconvenience or political decisions. The flower tree structure has three different contents according to its location and definitions. Each structure is hollow in the center of each of them configure a small hexagonal patio. The patios has three different characters. 1. Light, small temporary gardens. 2. Plants, orchids, exotic and typical flowers. 3. Animals, birds, feeding facilities, butterfly breeding place. Awards. It's one of the most representative structures of Medellin and a clear example of local architecture that has international characters. In 2007, won two categories of the Design Awards Lápiz de Acero as for being the most innovative project.